Yeah, this is Ukazi leaf. We're trying to process it so it can be preserved for a long time for eating. Okay, this is the processing. When you get it from the Ukazi tree, it looks exactly like this. Okay, then it will be plucked out from the small stems and made into bunch, grouped in bunches like this. See how she's plucking it out. Remove the small stems. Yeah. And this is welcome events and cleaning services. Trying to teach you our locally made food preservation. Okay. For more interesting videos like this, just click the like on our Facebook page and follow us on YouTube. We'll be showing you interesting videos, different interesting videos, okay? How to do, how to know, how to make, how to cook, different things. Okay, this year I'm going to teach you guys so many things, okay? For our brothers and sisters in diaspora, this is how, if you still want to be eating our local delicacies, this is how you can process it, preserve it, keep it for over 1 year, dry it, and keep in your house. You can always eat what we are eating in Nigeria and you will not miss Nigeria too much. Okay? Alright. This is the bunch. We make it in bunches like this. A whole lot of the bunch has been cut already. I'm trying to show you. This is how the bunch looks like, and it will be loosened and be picked small like that. The cutting of Ukazi leaf is done with a very sharp knife. If your knife is blunt, it won't be able to cut the Ukazi. That's it. It's being cut. So after cutting this Ukazi now, we'll spread it the way we spread the oziza and dry it. You can dry outside or inside. You just spread it on the rice sack like this and dry. And it can last for a very long time for you. Okay? For people living in diaspora that will still love the taste of our local dishes, you can preserve your Ukazi like this and take it to whichever country you're living in. Okay? And for those of us in Nigeria, please patronize welcome events and cleaning services for your events and professional cleaning services in Nigeria. Okay? We also outsource cleaners, house helps, drivers, nannies, for everything that will make life easier for you. And this is Laurry Jones showing you how to cut Ukazi and preserve it for long-term use. Beautiful. The Ukazi has all been cut, and Mama said if you want to put it in the soup, you don't just put it like that. You have to cut it with your hand. I mean, Mama, show them. Okay, so it won't be too long inside your pot of soup. Okay? Some people just carry it and put it like that, and it will be so long in the soup. You know, Ukazi is not a leaf that softens in soup. So it has to be very tiny. So she has finished cutting This is Ukazi leaf that has been cut, and she's trying to make it look very tiny when you put it in the soup. Ukazi is a very nutritious leaf. Gives you protein and vitamins. Okay, our local Nigerian leaf used for cooking. This, if it's dry, can stay in your house for 2 years. In case you live in the diaspora, anywhere outside Nigeria, you can always have the taste of our local foods. Oziza, Ukazi. Spread it inside your house there. Okay. All right. This is Laurry Jones. Laurry Jones showing you how to process Ukazi leaf. From the beginning to the end, I showed you the leaf. Did I show the tree? Okay, I don't know. So this is Ukazi that has been cut. For more interesting videos like this, please follow us on YouTube, Laurry Jones. Like our Facebook page, Laurry Jones. Patronize welcome events and cleaning services for your events, top-notch events, and professional cleaning of your houses. Okay, you can even see how sparkling our floor is. My boys did it. Okay, welcome did it. My staff, they went all the way to Igbo State to clean. Okay, then patronize us. We also do subletting. Not subletting, so what do they call it? We outsource, okay? We outsource cleaners, house helps, cleaners, house helps, nannies, and drivers, okay? So for this year, you don't really need to stress yourself. If you need a cleaner, call me on phone 081-543-56905. If you need a nanny, call Laurry Jones at Welcome Events and Cleaning Services 081-543-56905. For those in Nigeria, not in diaspora, not in other countries, just for my Nigerian people to be more comfortable this year. Okay? So that's it. And I'm out. Bye.